What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a what I eat in a day 24 weeks pregnant. I'm 24 weeks pregnant tomorrow. So that's just crazy. I can't even, I feel like time is going by so fast now, especially because my second trimester has been kind to me, thank God, because my first trimester was not. Yeah, I figured I would just do another what I eat in a day. I know you guys love seeing what I eat just in general, and then now especially that I'm pregnant. I have finally been able to eat like my normal meals. I have very few versions now, so it's just been wonderful. So I feel like my eating has kind of gone back to normal. I do get a lot of questions about like weight and like what I'm doing to like keep that all on track and everything. So I'm just pretty much making sure that I stay active. In terms of weight, I am gonna update you guys in my second trimester recap. So I pretty much update you guys every single trimester at the end. In the recap, I will kind of fill you guys in on my weight gain. In the first trimester, I did that. So if you want to see how much weight I gained in the first trimester, check out my first trimester recap, and I will fill you guys in at the end of the second trimester, which is in about 3 weeks, which is crazy. I've pretty much just been making sure I stay active, do my workouts pretty much like 4 or 5 times a week, and just not overeating, not overindulging. So with that being said, I pretty much just listen to my body, eat when I'm hungry, don't when I'm not, and just try not to overdo it. And so far I just feel really good. Like I said, it's been amazing because I have like almost no aversions now, so that's been amazing. So before we get into what I'm eating today, I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to Top Cashback because they are sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Top Cashback is, like, where have you been? I'm telling you, you can save money through online shopping, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna shop anyways, so your girl might as well be getting money back while I'm shopping and getting extra discounts. That's the way that I look at it. You can actually even install a little browser extension, and anytime you're online shopping, it's that easy to just click and integrate Top Cashback through there. They work with thousands of retailers. I'm talking Amazon, Walmart, The Gap, as well as Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, so many food options as well. So if you're a foodie like me, you can still save money on food. Personally, I've always found it super easy to use Top Cashback, so I feel like it's the perfect way to just go on about your online shopping life and just get those extra discounts and cash back. So I actually have a really cool deal where you can get $10 sign up bonus when you spend $25 through Top Cashback using my link. I'm gonna leave my link in the description box down below if you guys are interested. So yeah, other than that, you guys, let's go ahead and check out my What I Eat in a Day 24 weeks pregnant edition. Good morning, everyone. It is already like almost 11 o'clock, I think. I don't know what it is, but the past 2 weeks I have been waking up late. Like, I've been sleeping in until like 10:30. So it's 11 o'clock, but it's still breakfast, right? Breakfast lately has just been like super simple and easy. I've been having like 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and then doing something with it. So we'll see what I come up with. I love this bacon container, you guys. It's so convenient. It's like super air sealed. I got this from Amazon. I keep 2 of them. That way when one is dirty, I can like use the other one. But yeah, this is just like so convenient. It's perfect to keep your bacon like nice and like fresh and air sealed in the fridge. I've just been like repeating the same breakfast because I've just been loving it. It's nutritious. It's like a good amount of calories for breakfast. So the eggs literally only take 2 minutes to cook, so I just put that in at the end. But the pan is preheating because you want your egg pan to be nice and hot by the time you put your scrambled eggs on. So I'm gonna have mine with a tortilla just because that's what I've been liking lately, but a slice of toast works as well. I use the mini tortillas. They're only 50 calories, so I feel like it's just a good size. Also, this is why I fill up my water bottle, you guys, because I'm already halfway through drinking my water and breakfast is not even done yet. So this is avocado oil in my little spray bottle. I got this on Amazon and it is so convenient. I'm gonna spray the entire pan. I'm gonna try something a little different today. I love sriracha with my breakfast and I'm gonna try just like directly putting it in the eggs and see how that turns out. Look at how fire that looks. Yes. Okay, I am actually starving for lunch, you guys. Like, all of a sudden, I just got super hungry. So I think I'm going to make buffalo chicken wraps. So I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Okay, while that was preheating, I already just removed my makeup. But yeah, so I just went ahead and put these buttermilk chicken tenders that I love. I'm gonna leave the box on the screen. I get them from Superstore. They're so good. I just put that in the air fryer on 400 for 3 minutes and then I'm gonna add the fries. So these are the fries that I use. They literally taste like McDonald's fries, you guys, and they only take 5 minutes, so they're bomb. So the chicken and the fries are done. So what I do is cut them up into pieces. Then I use this buffalo sauce that I got from Walmart, you guys. This actually tastes so good. It's really nice and light. I like a good amount of buffalo sauce. And then I will literally just toss it. And you got some buffalo chicken. Then I'll use these mini tortillas again. I love these because they're only 50 calories. And then literally just put your chicken. Put some cheese. And I know this might seem extra, but it's really good, you guys. Just put a little extra drizzle on top of the cheese. Just a little bit. And then I will transfer my fries. And there you go, just stack them up in there. Stack it up in there and then put it in the air fryer for 2 minutes on 400. And I forgot to put a drizzle of mayo. You can put it on fresh at the end, but I kind of like how it tastes warm. So now for the fries, you guys, I love this Montreal chicken spice seasoning. It is so good. Oh, it's so bomb. So I will literally just take it. You don't need to put a lot because it's pretty salty. And y'all know me, I'm gonna use my McDonald's barbecue sauce. Whenever I go to McDonald's, I literally buy like 10 to 15 of these. I'm not even joking. I add like 15 to my order and I stock them up in my pantry. And then it's like the longest wait until they're ready. Look how good that looks, you guys. I cannot deal. So it usually works best when you just use a spatula to take them out. I just realized I forgot to add the spinach. Oh my god, so I usually add spinach underneath, like as a bed, and then it goes in the air fryer and it gets like warm and all good. But I totally forgot to add it, but that's okay. All right, here is my lunch. I feel kind of bad because I forgot to add the spinach, but that's all good. It's not a big deal. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start prepping my salad for dinner a little bit just because it gets so dark these days and you know, I just don't want like super bad lighting. So we're gonna start prepping the salad. I just won't put the dressing on it so it doesn't get soggy. But I have been loving baby spinach with, I'm watching Black and Blue, with arugula. So good. I've stayed away from romaine lettuce just because I'm so paranoid. I feel like every time there's like a recall for listeria, yeah. Anytime there's like a recall for whatever, it's always romaine lettuce. Like I'm just staying away from it for my pregnancy for the most part. And yeah, also some cucumber. Thankfully I have some left. I've been having this salad like every day this week because it's just so good. And the feta cheese, gotta have the feta cheese. So even though both of these are triple washed, I think, yeah, they're both like washed already, thoroughly washed it says, but I just like to wash it again just because like I'm really paranoid with this pregnancy. You know, they recommend that you just like wash your veggies even though it's pre-washed. And then I'll literally just rinse it multiple times under cold water. Okay, just rinsed my cucumber too. Now this is like my little chopping trick. I just go ahead and slice it down the middle, but I won't cut it all the way through. Slice it again, don't cut it all the way through. That way it holds together, but you can just slice it in your hand. And it's so much easier than getting out a chopping board. How could I forget the olives? Like what? So I always do sliced Kalamata olives. Yum, yum. But I will usually grab like 2 teaspoons or 1 big tablespoon. Listen, I'm Portuguese, we love olives, okay? Then for the feta cheese, I will grab a good chunk and literally just crumble it. Then I've been doing this and I'm telling you guys, it's everything. Add a fresh crack of black pepper on your salad. It's literally life. So I'm just gonna leave that now with no dressing because I don't want it to get soggy. And then later on for dinner, my salad's already done. I'll just put some dressing on it and we're good to go. So I'm actually going to prep my chicken as well, since I have time. So I think for dinner tonight, I'm going to make like a chicken shawarma. These are a little bit frozen still, but it actually makes it easier to cut, so that's okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make like a little bit of like a chicken shawarma style. So I'm cutting these in really thin pieces. One way that's really good too is to cook the chicken whole and then slice it. That does keep a lot of like the juiciness in the meat together. But sometimes I do it like this where I chop it first because it's just easier. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's already chopped so that later when I cook it, it's just ready to eat and I don't have to chop it all up. But yeah, I've done both. Okay, some salt. A lot of black pepper. And a lot of oregano. And then you only need a dash of cinnamon, just a dash. Like I'm literally putting on the tiniest little holes. Just a little sprinkle like that. I'm kind of wondering if I can improvise and use sour cream instead of Greek yogurt. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. I mean, what could go wrong? So I think I'm only gonna put a little bit because I'm just kind of scared since it's sour cream and not Greek yogurt. If this was Greek yogurt, I would put like a good big scoop like that, but I'm just gonna put a small amount. Oh my God, how could I forget the garlic? You need minced garlic. And that's it, pretty simple marinade. I'm gonna add a little hint of oil in here, just a little tad. This is avocado oil, but olive oil is best, but I just put like a tad. Cover that up, put it in the fridge, let it marinate for a few hours. So when I get hungry in between dinner, I will always just grab some fruit as a snack, and this has been like my obsession. I've been obsessed with clementines since I was like 10 weeks pregnant, and the obsession continues. I eat like at least 2 to 3 a day. I just love them. So I'm gonna have 2 of these just to kind of hold me off until dinner. Okay, so I'm preheating my pan now on medium, and this smells so good, you guys. Like, literally smells amazing. I already have some rice made, like leftover rice. I think this should be enough. There's not like a ton in there, but I think it should be enough. This is basically vegetable broth, long grain white rice. I actually love this meal the best with parboiled rice, but I don't have any. So yeah, vegetable broth, onion, garlic, and adobo, and a little bit of what am I gonna say, turmeric, just a little dash of turmeric. So I like to preheat the pan for just about 5 minutes minimum. And I'm just putting the tiniest amount of oil, not a lot at all. The best way to reheat rice is put it in the microwave. It's literally the best way. All you gotta do is put, I would say, about a teaspoon of water, put it in the microwave, and it'll steam up and fluff up nicely. Okay, so just put the chicken. That's what you wanna hear, that nice sizzle. And then just let it cook. This will usually take like just about 15 minutes to cook. So I'm actually doing medium heat, but it's like slightly a little bit over medium, just to gear towards high a little bit. So I'm actually gonna put garlic sauce over the chicken. If you guys have had Osmos, I don't know if they have that in the US, but in like the GTA they do. It's so good. I'm basically making like a chicken on the rocks. So this is like garlic sauce. You can make your own, but I just did this. So I literally just used this garlic sauce and added a tiny dash of water just to make it more runny, because this is really thick so it doesn't spread well. For my salad dressing, I love this one, you guys. It tastes so good. Classic herb from Kraft. Okay, I made so much salad. I'm gonna have to move my rice a bit. Literally, like, I made so much salad. I cannot. But it's funny because I'm literally gonna eat all of that even before I finish my rice and my chicken, because I just love it so much. And now the garlic sauce just gets drizzled on top. I probably won't use all of it. And then my fave sriracha is just like major key right on top. Okay, and that is it. Look how good that looks, you guys. Like, I cannot. It looks like a huge plate. I mean, I guess it kind of is a huge plate, but what's funny is like half the plate is salad. Okay, for dessert, you guys, I finally no longer have an aversion to Kit Kats. Like, literally for the longest time I could not eat Kit Kats. So I'm so happy. My fave is back. So this is gonna be my dessert for the night, and that's usually pretty much it. If I get hungry later on, I will most likely have like some fruit. So if I do, I'll show it, and if not, then this is pretty much it. So I'm literally sitting here editing, and I realized that I completely forgot to do an outro. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, don't forget to check out Top Cashback. I will leave my link so you guys can get that discount down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.